So, the election just happened, and along with that came a lot of really strange Google search trends. This one that gained popularity said, "Do I live in America?" And this one that really skyrocketed was, "What is voting?" Some people were wondering, can old people vote? And lastly, this one that really caught my interest says, "Can you vote on PS5?" What does that even mean? Last time I checked, PS5 was not a presidential candidate. Also, one person in North Dakota and 2 people in Alabama were wondering, is Diddy running for office? And to the 3 of you, if you haven't found the answer to that question, it's no. Who knows what that one would look like? A ton of baby oil in the White House, perhaps?